Sai Ram children, welcome back to our maths class. Now you have finished your FA4 exam. Today we will be starting a new lesson number 9, money. So get ready with your maths book, notebook and pencil box. Now children, for our daily needs, we have to buy things from the market. Okay? So when you go to the shop, you want to buy something. What do? You ask the price to the shopkeeper, or you try to see or look at the price that is written on it. Okay? So after purchasing it, what you have to do? When you purchase the thing, what you have to give to the shopkeeper? You have to pay money. Right? You have to pay money. So for buying things, we have to pay money to the shopkeeper. Now, use of money. You can see here, use of money. If you want to buy house, clothes, television, grocery, computer, stationery, you have to pay money. Now here you can see the girl is buying pencils. The boy is in the cake shop. He is buying cakes. So after buying, they have to pay money to the shopkeeper. Okay? Now, in school also you bring money to buy books. When scholastics books come, no? So you ask, no, teacher, what is the price? Then you bring money. Okay? Or from canteen, when you want to buy something, you bring money, buy the thing and then give the money to the shopkeeper. Correct? Okay. Now, here you can see what it is written. Now look here. This is the symbol of rupees. Okay? And this is the symbol of paise. P. Okay? This R, it is written. Okay? This R is written, is symbol of rupees, and for paise is P. Rupees 1 equal to 100 paise. Okay? Now 50 paise plus 50 paise. Now as you know, if you add 50 paise plus 50 paise, 0 plus 0 is, you will write 0. And then 5 plus 5 is 10. And this P is for paise. So 100 paise, 50 paise plus 50 paise equal to 100 paise. Now rupees 1, you can see the 1 rupees coin equal to 100 paise. Understood? Now money plays an important role in our life. We use money to buy things. In India, we use rupees and paise. We use the symbol. You can see the symbol here. Yes, this is the symbol to represent the Indian rupee. 1 rupee equal to 100 paise. Notes and coins we use are called currency. Now just look at the content. Today we will be doing currency. Okay? Currency, addition and subtraction of paise, addition and subtraction of rupees, writing rupees and paise, addition of rupees and paise, subtraction of rupees and paise. Now in this lesson number 9, word problems omitted. That means we are not going to do the word problems. Okay? So today we will be doing currency. Money is found as currency notes and coins. In India, rupees are written as, this is the symbol of rupees, and paise as P. Currency notes are used to represent rupees and coins are used to represent rupees and paise. Now here you can see money is in the form of currency notes and coins. You can see here the notes, you can see the coins. Okay. Now let us learn about rupee coin. Now here you can see 1 rupee coin. So this is a 1 rupee coin. 2 rupees. This is a 2 rupees coin. This is a 5 rupees coin. This is a 10 rupees coin. Okay? Now you can see here 5 rupees, 10 rupees, 20 rupees, 100 rupees. Now here you can see how the rupees symbol is written. Rupees 100, rupees 500, rupees 2000, rupees 50, rupees 200. Okay? Yes children, now open page 156. We will do the classwork together. Okay? And take out your notebook also. You have to do the rough work in your notebook. Now it is written, you can see, Ananya has to buy some craft materials for her class. She has rupees 50. Mark a tick in the box if she can buy the given items or a cross if she cannot. Now you can see here the prices are written below. Okay, you can see stickers, pom-pom, glue, ribbons, buttons and colors. So rupees 11 for stickers, ribbons rupees 24, glue rupees 28, pom-pom rupees 10, buttons rupees 5 and rupees 32 for colors. Now we will do together. Okay. So question A, and children write today's date. Okay. Now stickers and colors. Now you have to see the price of stickers and colors. You have to add them. Now write rupees 11 for stickers. Okay. Now and colors. Find out the price of colors. Rupees 32. So write 32 and addition sign. Don't forget to write. Now we will add rupees 11 plus rupees 32. 1 plus 2. You all know the addition. 1 plus 2 is 3 and 1 plus 3 is 4. Your answer is rupees 43. Right here, 43. Now she can buy with rupees 50. Yes or not? Yes, she can buy. So give a tick there. Okay, done? All have done? Now, question B. Ribbons, glue and pom-pom. Now you start writing in your notebook. Okay, before me you can finish. So try. Okay. Now ribbons, what is the price of ribbons? 24. Then glue, 28. And then pom-pom, rupees 10. Okay, you have to add rupees 24, rupees 28, rupees 10. Now 4 plus 8, 12. 12 plus 0, we get 12 only. So you write 2 here and 1 will be carried over. Correct? Now 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 1. Yes, what you are getting? 6. So rupees 62. Now write here rupees 62. She can buy or not? No, she cannot. So put a cross there. Now question C. Colors, ribbons and buttons. So again, start writing the price. Yes, start writing. Okay. Yes. Now, what is the price of colors? Rupees 32. Right? 32. Then, ribbons, rupees 24. Yes, rupees 24. And then, buttons, rupees 5. Okay. Now, yes, add rupees 32 plus rupees 24 plus rupees 5. 2 plus 4, 6. Correct? And 6 plus 5. Yes, 6 plus 5. After adding 6 plus 5, we are getting 11. So, write 1 here. Okay, write 1 here. Then, again the 1 will be carried over here. Then 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. So, your answer is rupees 61. Write 61 here. Now, what you will put? Tick or cross? Yes, you will put cross. Done? You can do it. Now, question D. Sorry. Now, you start writing in your notebook. Question D. Stickers, glue and pom-pom. Again, we have to write the price. Have a look at the price, what it is written. Yes. Okay. Now, stickers. What is the price of stickers? Rupees 11. Right? Rupees 11. Then, glue. Rupees 28. Yes, right, 28. And then, and pom-pom. Yes, the price of pom-pom is rupees 10. Now, let's add rupees 11 plus rupees 28 plus rupees 10. Now, 1 plus 8 is 9. 9 plus 0 is 9. Correct? You all are getting? Okay, now 1 plus 2 is 3 and 3 plus 1 is 4. So your answer is rupees 49. She is having rupees 50. So she can buy or not? Yes, she can buy. Correct? All have finished? You have to do the rough work in your notebook, children. All have finished this classwork with me? Okay, very good. Now, currency. Every country has its own currency system. For example, in India, it is rupees. In Japan, it is yen. In America, it is US dollars. In Britain, it is pound. And in Bangladesh, it is taka. Now, look here, what you can see here. You can see a 5 rupees note. Now, a currency note or coin can be shown by different combination of notes or coins. Now, here you can see 5 rupees note equal to how many coins are there? 5 coins. So, 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 1, 4, 4 plus 1, 5. Okay, you can make combinations of notes or coins. Understood? If you are not having 5 rupees note and if you are having 5 1 rupees coin, it can also make rupees 5. Now again another combination. See 5 rupees note. Now here 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 1 5. Okay. Now rupees 5 equal to 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 2 5. Understood, children? How you can make the combination? Now page 157, circle the coins you will need in column B to make the amount given in column A. Now look here, column A, 50 rupees note, 10 rupees and 20 rupees. Now in column B you have to match it. Okay, you have to circle to make this combination. Now 50 rupees, how many 10 rupees you will need? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 5 10 rupees will make 50. Now next one, 10 rupees, 1 5 rupees coin and another. So 5 plus 5 10. Now question C, try to make 20 rupees, circle it, 10 rupees, 10 rupees, 10 plus 10, 20. Okay, finished? Now question D, you can see 5 rupees coin. Now you have to make 2 plus 2 4 and 4 plus 1 5. Question E, 20 rupees. This 10 rupees 10 plus 5 15, 15 plus 5 20. Understood? How you will match it, or you can make the combination. All have finished? Page 158. Match the currency notes with the correct combination of coins. You have to do match the followings. Okay, you can see question A, rupees 2. Now find out how we will make 2. Now see here, this one, this 3. 50 plus 50, 50 paise plus 50 paise is 100 paise. That is rupees 1. And again this 50 plus 50 will make rupees 1. So 1 plus 1 is 2. Okay. Now Question B, 5. 5 rupees note. Now, how you will make 5 rupees note? See here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So, match it. Now, 10 rupees. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. 8 plus 2, 10. Understood? And rupees 20. 5 plus 5, 10. 10 plus 5, 15. 15 plus 5, 20. All are finished? Now, how much do you know? Page 167. Cross the coins. You need to make the value of the coins given on the left. You can see 5 rupees question A, 5 rupees coin is there. And you see, now you have to make how much coins you need. Okay, so you cross it. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, so you will write rupees 5 equal to 5 coins of rupees 1 each. Now question B, you can see rupees 2. Okay, coin of rupees 2. Now how many 50 paise you need? 1, 2, 3, 4. So rupees 2 equal to 4 coins of 50 paise each. Question C, rupees 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Rupees 10 equal to 5 coins of rupees 2 each. Okay, children? Finished? All have done? Okay. Finished your work? Today, this much only? All have understood? Okay. Thank you, children. Bye.